tune. This a Carlton Green production. Trilldiverse in the building. Big up every lemon squeezer, every juice maker, and every man when I sleep till the bank book look heavy. Hey yo Matthew, approve the message. Every day we hustle, every day we rest. If life give you lemon, squeeze it pan your breast. Wait now, squeeze it in a glass, put out the best. Focus on the love, put the ear to the test. I'm Trilldiverse, Carlton Green, no less. I approve this message. Bless after bless. Yeah. Woke up this morning, bills are like mountain, but me energy a flow like a Kingston fountain. Man focus on the goal, me no watch his side eye. Haters looking salty, like them need a tie-dye. Like fling and lemon, me grab some ice and ginger. Mix it up sweet, now me a gold medal bringer. Where focus goes, the energy a flow. If your mind is a nation, then let the garden grow. So man focus on who have the newest car, but me focus on the mind that will take you far. Greatest nation in a earth, no, that's how your brain. No let no negative vibe wash down the drain. Every day we hustle them, we take a little nap. Wake up, do it again, avoid the booby trap. I'm at you Carlton, the message is clear. If you love what you do, you have nothing for fear. Then we hustle every day, we rest. If life give you lemon, squeeze it on your breast. Wait no, squeeze it in a glass, put out the best. Focus on the love, put the ear to the test. I'm Trilldiverse, Carlton Green, no less. I approve this message. Bless after bless. Yeah man, Trilldiverse, Matthew Carlton Green. Mind power over lemon sour. If you focus on the problem, you get more problem. If you focus on the juice, you get the lemonade. Pass the test, skip the rest. I approve this message. Zine.